Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an awesome recycling project, building a plastic bottle rope maker. This simple wooden tool transforms plastic bottles into strong, continuous rope. It's a fantastic way to repurpose waste and get creative. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why this is such a cool idea. Plastic bottles are everywhere, and they take ages to break down. By turning them into rope, we give them a new life and reduce plastic pollution. Plus, the rope you create is surprisingly strong. It's perfect for various uses, from crafting to gardening, or even emergency situations. Think about it, a soda bottle becomes useful rope. Amazing! Now, let's look at how to build the tool. You'll need some basic woodworking skills and a few materials. We will cover those now. You'll need a piece of wood for the base, another for the handle, some screws, and a sharp blade. The blade is key, so handle it carefully. You'll also need some tools like a saw, drill, and screwdriver. The dimensions of the wood pieces depend on your preference, but a general size works well for the base. Don't forget safety glasses and gloves. Cut the wood pieces according to your desired design. The base should be sturdy and long enough to hold the bottle. The handle provides leverage for turning the bottle. Securely attach the blade to the base. Make sure it's positioned correctly to slice the bottle cleanly. The blade's angle is important for the rope's quality. Adjust it as needed. Drill holes for the screws. Assemble the tool, ensuring everything is tight and stable. Always double check for any sharp edges or potential hazards. Once the tool is assembled, it's time to put it to the test. Grab a clean, empty plastic bottle. Insert the bottle into the tool, with the cap on the handle side. Turn the handle, feeding the bottle towards the blade. The blade will slice the bottle into a continuous strip. Keep turning and feeding the bottle. The strip will begin to coil into a rope. It's really cool to watch it happen. As the rope forms, guide it to prevent tangling. Adjust the speed and pressure as needed, depending on the blade's sharpness and the bottle's thickness. The process might require some practice. Experiment with different bottles and blade angles to find the perfect setup. Be patient and don't get discouraged. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations! You've made plastic bottle rope. The rope can be used for various purposes. Use it in your garden. Tie up plants. Create cool crafts. Secure items. The possibilities are endless. This is a great way to be eco-friendly and get creative. It's also a great way to show how you can repurpose plastic. This project is fun, rewarding, and good for the environment. Share your creations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.